solve each equation. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute the negative 4. So 3x plus 2 equals 10 minus 4x plus 4. Now I can combine my like terms. So 3x plus 2 equals 10 plus 4 is 14 minus 4x. Then I'll add 4x to both sides. 7x plus 2 equals 14. Subtract 2. 7x equals 12. Divide by 7. So x equals 12/7. Here I'm going to do the same thing. I'll distribute first. So I get 4x minus 4 minus 6x minus 10 equals negative 3x plus 1. 4x minus 6x is negative 2x minus 14 equals negative 3x plus 1. I'll add 14. Negative 2x equals negative 3x plus 15. Add 3x, and we get x equals 15. Complete the following generic rectangles. Find the length, width, and area of each smaller rectangle. So I know 2x is right here, and they multiply to make 6x squared. So this must be 3x. I know that this must be 5, since I have 1 times 5 is 5. So that means 2x times 1 is 2x. 5 times 3x is 15x. X times 2x is 2x squared. This must be 2x times 6 gives us 12x. 6 times 3 is 18, and x times 3 is 3x. Here we got x squared, so it must be x times x. This must be a 3. That must be a 4, because 3 times 4 is 12. Find the equation of the line with a slope of negative 4/3 that passes through the point 12, negative 4. So I know my equation for a line is y equals mx plus b. I know the slope is negative 4/3. And I don't know the y-intercept. So I need to solve for b. So I'm going to plug in 12, negative 4. 12 for x, negative 4 for y. So we get negative 4 equals negative 4/3 times 12 plus b. 4/3 times 12, well, let's see, 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. So negative 4 equals negative 16 plus b. Add 16, and we get 12 equals b. So the equation of the line is y equals negative 4/3 x plus 12. Graph the parabola and label the x-intercepts, y-intercept, vertex, and line of symmetry. So I know that the x-intercepts are going to be 2, 0, and 4, 0. Because if I use the zero product property and I plug in 0 for y, either x minus 2 has to equal 0, or x minus 4 has to equal 0. So x equals 2 or x equals 4. So here are my x-intercepts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that the line of symmetry is at x equals 3. Which means that the vertex is somewhere on the line of symmetry. So I'm going to plug in 3 for x. So I get y equals 2 times 1 times negative 1, which is negative 2. So what the vertex is at 3 comma negative 2. And the y-intercept means I plug in 0 for x. So I get y equals 2 times 0 minus 2 times 0 minus 4. 2 times negative 2 times negative 4 is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way up here. And all the way up there. So the parabola would look something like this. So the y-intercept is 0, 16. The vertex is 3, negative 2. The x-intercepts are 4, 0, and 2, 0. Solve the system of equations using any method. So let's see. I notice that my variables are not lined up right now, so I can't use elimination yet. I notice that there's also not one variable that's totally by itself, so I can't use substitution either. So I need to fix these equations so that I could use one or the other. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides of this equation, and so I get 2v plus 10 equals u. Now I can substitute this in for u. So we get 5 times 2v plus 10 equals 6v, or no, plus 6v equals 2. I'll distribute the 5. 10v plus 50 plus 6v equals 2. 10v plus 6v would be 16v plus 50 equals 2. Subtract 50. 16v equals 48. Divide by 16. And we get v equals 3. Now I have to take v and plug it in. So I'm going to take that and plug it in there. So I get 2 times 3 plus 10 equals u. So u equals 16. Complete the following diamond problems. Two numbers that multiply to make negative 30 and add to make negative 1. Let's see, 6 and 5 make 30, so it'd be negative 6 times 5. Multiply to make negative 12 and add to make 4. 6 and 2, 6 and negative 2. Multiply to make 7, add to make 6, would be 7 and 1. Positive 7, negative 1. Multiply to make 88, add to make 19. So the first numbers I can think of to make 88 are 8 and 11, which also add to 19.